Ya, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will continue our learning that how to make an animation on Kotlin. So I'm gonna open my project before and then we're gonna create a new animation that different type from we had created before. And the animation will start like this. I wanna show to you before we just get started. Okay, we're just waiting for our target to come online. So what we have to do now is just waiting. Okay, the project is installing now. Okay, so the project will launch, and then this is the button that we have that we will create. Okay, the animation like this from the start. When we click, it was disappear, and then it will appear with some area getting wide like this. Okay, and the animation start from the middle of the button. So we just create the animation. We're gonna go to the project that we had created before, and in this video is continuation from the previous video. So we just move to our new project. Okay, like on the previous video, we just make a new animation file. Oh, so sorry. Right click on the anim folder and then hover new, and then animation resource file. So that we just give it a name like I will give it with splash name, splash like this. Oh, without uppercase of course. And then we just click the OK button. After that, we have to create alpha syntax for setting the opacity, and then just click from alpha that disappear, that is 0.0 to alpha 1.0. So it will appear, and then we just give it translate text, and then we just give a scale. Oh, I'm sorry, this is not translate but scale. Okay, after that we just call the from X scale like the horizontal line for X. In this case he will give it with 0.0, and then from Y scale 0.0, Y is the vertical line, and then to X scale that is 1.0. Okay, this is like the alpha syntax, and then y scale 1.0. After that, we have to give the pivot x, so the object or the button or the key object will appear on the middle of its whereabouts, and then we just give it pivot y for 50% again. So we just end the tag, and then we just go back to the main activity, so we can declare the animation, so that we can call the variable and then apply it to the object we want. So just type the syntax like val, and then I will go or give it the name with splash, and then animation utils like usual, and then load our animation. Because this is the activity, so we just declare it with this, not context. If we on the adapter, so we just give it a context, not this, and then we just call our animation file extends. I'm sorry, not extensis but existence. That in r.anim and splash. After that, we have to declare it now. Like we want to appear it on web object, so we just call the binding dot the object and then start animation. So that in this bracket we have to call the variable. Okay, this is the preface object. Okay, this is the animation, and TP login we had used it beta and 2, and now we just give it to edit it. Okay, edit it. So you can call the splash. Okay, so we just apply our project. Then the animation will appear in this section. You will see. Sorry. Okay. We can set on quick listener, so we just don't need to tap for debug the app. So play it. Oh no. Okay, one mistake, so we just debug again. Okay. Okay, we just change the parameter of this function. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, because we have to give the duration of this animation, and then we just give the delay of the animation with start offset. Like we just give it with 300, and then we just apply it on our project. Okay, the animation appear correctly like this. Okay, thank you for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.